Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of placenta previa. You can see the duration of the pregnancy is 19 weeks, 3 days. Due to placental tropotropism, the diagnosis of placenta previa is not usually made before 20 weeks. During the routine 18 to 21 weeks morphology scan, the distance between the lower edge of the placenta and the internal os should be measured. You can see the fetal head and fetal cardiac activity is seen. Placenta previa is diagnosed through ultrasound either during a routine prenatal appointment or after an episode of vaginal bleeding. Many cases of placenta previa are diagnosed during a second trimester ultrasound examination. If there is placenta previa when the cervix begins to efface, that is thinning out, and dilate, open up for labor, blood vessels connecting the placenta to the uterus may tear. This can cause severe bleeding during labor and birth, putting mother and baby in danger. So that is why the most of the placenta previa cases are going to surgery. Placenta previa treatment goals are to prevent bleeding and lessen the risk of premature delivery. You can see the placenta and it clearly shows, the video clearly shows the placenta is facing the internal os, and you can see a small bleeding point. The placenta is covering the internal os. It is in face of this internal os. So the patient is experiencing bleeding. Placenta previa treatment goals are to prevent bleeding and lessen the risk of premature delivery. More than 90% of time, placenta previa diagnosed in the second trimester corrects itself by turn. You do not need to restrict the activities of the patient during treatment usually. Placenta previa occurs in 4 grades ranging from minor to major. Grade 1 is minor. The placenta is mainly in the upper part of the womb, but some extends to the lower part. Now the grade 2 is marginal. The placenta reaches the cervix but doesn't cover. In grade 3, that is major, the placenta partially covers the cervix. Now you can see in this case the placenta is partially or marginally covering the os. Now there are chances that placenta may move up. This often shows up in the early ultrasound scan when it is called low-lying placenta. In 90% of the cases, the placenta moves towards the womb wall. As the womb grows, the placenta moves upwards. For some women, however, the placenta continues to lie in the lower part of the uterus after 20 weeks. This affects 1 in 200 births, it is estimated. For cases of placenta previa, the minimum or no bleeding, then you are advised complete bed rest. This means resting in bed as much as possible and only standing and sitting when absolutely necessary. You will also be asked to avoid sex and likely exercises as well. Now you can see the fetus is echo-mecho normal. Fetal movements are normal. Fetal blood flow is normal. Fetal cardiac activity is also normal. So as far as the fetus is concerned, at this point up, there is no harmful effect seen to the fetus. Vaginal bleeding after 20 weeks of gestation is characteristic of placenta previa. Usually the bleeding is painless, but it can be associated with uterine contractions and abdominal pain. Bleeding may range in severity from light to severe. Now, the acute case of bleeding placenta previa is a medical emergency, and the patient should be admitted to the relevant hospital. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please